People often email me and say, I know you talk about being, but I don't feel it. Or I've had some recent questions like, well, what happens if I am pure awareness? What happens when the brain dies? How can I still be aware? Okay. The one thing to emphasize and begin to feel in our heart is that now is all there is. Now is the only thing there is. I call it a thing. Picture the following. You are a human being. And the now is being, or pure awareness. But let's go into that. You're a human being. There are over 6 billion humans on this earth, but there is only one being. And that being is you. Pure awareness. See it this way. There's the one ocean. There are billions of waves on the surface of the ocean. Each wave feels different, separate, unique, and yet they're all the same, one water. We forget that we are the very essence of life. We are the source of life itself. We are not an effect. We are the cause itself, appearing as us. Adyashanti said something very beautiful, and he said, you are looking for God with His eyes. Now, in order to give you an idea what now is all there is, picture the following. You're looking into the mirror, and each minute is equivalent to 2 years. Just imagine this. Now, as you watch, you begin to see yourself decay, your hair turning gray, your face becoming like an unmade bed, all wrinkles, decaying, deteriorating, everything falling away, apart. So, and 20 minutes go by, that means 40 years. And you're still watching. You are being. The form that you're taking on is a tool. Just like there are many waves invisible to the naked eye, but we need a radio, a tool, in order to bring in some of those sound waves. Another way that you can begin to understand how you are pure being, you are the awareness itself. You're not going to achieve it, gain it, accomplish it. You just need to realize it, that this is who you are. Imagine looking at your family album, and you begin to leaf around and you see your baby picture. And you had a baby body, a baby mind, baby ideas, baby viewpoint. And then you look at pictures when you were a teenager. A teenage body, different beliefs, different ideas. And then an adult. Now, as you look at all that, you'll see that, my God, you know, my body has recycled 3 times at least. But it is still I am. It is still who I am. It is still you. This is being. It's unborn. It's unchanging. You know, Albert Einstein said, and let's talk about the now is all there is. He said, past, present, and future happen simultaneously. Now, how is the ordinary linear brain going to understand this? No way. But you see, there's another thing, that when you listen with your heart right now, if you're resonating with what is being said, something in you begins to resonate to that. Yes, I never remember a time when I was not. Because you always are. You just are. You are life itself, the very essence of being. You're unborn and cannot die. So when we talk about how the past, present, and future happen simultaneously, wow, that's a mind blower. Well, one example I can give, which I gave before, is that not so long ago, a woman from England interviewed me on her radio show. And now, when she interviewed me, being in England, so many, space apart, distance apart, there's a time difference. So she called me in the evening, and I received it early in the morning. So here we are, her evening and my morning are two different times, and yet when we spoke, it happened simultaneously. It happened now. Past, present, and future happen now. So, yes, your true nature is being. It is pure awareness. It's unchanging.